Hello guys, welcome back. If you've placed an order on DoorDash and suddenly need to cancel it, timing becomes everything. Sometimes you realize right after placing the order that the address is wrong, the item isn't what you wanted, or plans have changed. The challenge is that once a restaurant starts preparing the food, cancellation options can become limited or may include fees. That's why acting quickly inside the app is important. DoorDash does provide a built-in cancellation option, but it's not always obvious where to find it, especially if the order is already in progress. Knowing exactly where to tap and what to expect helps you avoid confusion and unnecessary charges. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel a DoorDash order directly from the app to try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and go to the Orders section. Step 2. Select the active order you want to cancel. Step 3. Tap on the Help or Support option on the order screen. Step 4. Choose the option related to canceling the order. Step 5. Confirm cancellation when prompted on the screen. Step 6. Check for confirmation message and refund details.